create a client, we assign the client. That's why I get the token ID, the JWT token. Copy, I create the address. The client ID, we're going to obtain it from the database body. Now let's see where the client is. MySQL, from clients. Here he is, public ID. This is the we have copied, paste here, send. It's already created. Now we create an order, a blank order, because we want to use the token. Now where's the token? We want to use it. Create order. We create an order. Headers. Paste. Then belongs to this client. We've copied. Oh, the address ID, sorry. Okay. Order. Yeah, it's already been created. Now from there, now it's time to populate, but we haven't created a company. So let's create a company. Manage spare parts. We sign in the company. Get the JWT token. We create items belonging to that company. Paste the token there. Body. Can create breakpads. Oh, the company ID. Company ID. Now we need to from company. Now here's the public ID. Item added successfully. Now we can use that to create an order. So we create an order item. Now we need to use the token. We sign in the user again. Then copy order item in the body. Now we created an order. Order has a public ID. We need to populate it with order items. So create order item. Now the order ID falls here. Then now we have to populate it with an item, and the item is here. We need to get its ID. The item. Okay. So we can items by company ID, where the company is. Let's see the company ID is here. Let's see the item that we created. Token expired. It's because the token was replaced with the client, so we need to sign in the company to obtain the new token. We are managing the client and the company in one place, so it can be a bit confusing. So we get all items by company ID. So let's input the right token. Yeah, then we get the item ID. ID is now the public ID. We go back to order items in the process of creating. This the we have ordered two items. So if we go back to all items by initial stock was 100, but now we have ordered. The initial stock has been deducted by 2, so it's 98. Now it is up to us to pay to make to effect the order otherwise the initial stock will be restocked. So now we have to create a successful payment. Okay, now let's see now the order first. So we created an order, the order is total. Now the total order total is 0, but now we have to see how much the order costs now that we've populated with an order ID. So get the order by an ID, paste here, the token, of course, we can't forget. Where's the land so that we can get the token? Yep, here. Yeah, here it is. It costs 8,608 based on the currency that you use. Now we can now copy the order ID so as to create a successful payment. So order ID, we paste here. Transaction reference number. It can be referenced from the external payment processors. Amount paid, if you pay any amount less than the order total, the order will be cancelled and the items will be restocked back. But now if we want to create a successful order, we just have to see the amount here. The status is pending, right? So we need to pay 8608. So let's pay that one. Of course, the access token, we need to update it with the right one. And the user's client, we need to copy the token. The body is okay. Transaction reference number, amount paid. Let's see. It's paid. Status is completed. Now let's go to the order and see what has happened. If we check again, it changes to shipped. Due to time, we can't show every endpoint, but all endpoints work as expected. Thank you so much.